If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Here I want to display different items for different things, like different sections. This is the section for phones. Let me create another thing where I want to display student information. Student contains that name, roll number, which is integer. I want to display in one section, I want to display students. In another section, I want to display phones. Student equal to student. Zero zero one. Second student is student. Student of name Madhu. Two. Student of name Kiran. Sometimes. Okay. I want to display the phones in first section. I want to display students in second section. Now, how many sections you want? 2 sections, right? 2 sections I want. Sorry. Number of sections. Number of sections. Number of sections written 2. And here number of rows in section 2 means the sections are 0th section is 1, first section is another one. Here, if section we are getting section as input 2, first time we get 0 equal to 0, return this. I want to return. I want to display on first section. I want to display phones. Else means second section. So return students.count. Similarly, while displaying content, same thing, right? If index for that section equal to 0. If it is 0 means take this and set this. Else means first section. First section means that is a student. A student equal to students of index for that row. Cell dot text label dot text equal to a student dot name. Similarly, cell dot detailed text label dot text equal to roll number. Roll number we are setting roll number, we are setting name. Similarly, in grid select code index path. Anyways, try it. It doesn't give any error. We have first one is phones, second one is students. I want to give different size for the student as well. If index path dot section equal to 0, return 100. Basically, we are getting indexes sections. We just need to differentiate by using sections. Similarly, here also, right? Same thing. If index path dot section equal to 0. If it is 0, user click on phones. Else, user click on student. However, setting students of index path dot row and print that student. Very, very important, because we are dealing with collections. If something happens with the indexes, index is out of bounds, you'll definitely get a crash. Okay, when I click phone is displayed. When I click student is displayed. If you did not write this, what happens? Every time, even if you click on student also, this is the previous logic, right? Even if you click on student also, phone is displayed. Okay, you need to be very cautious whenever you are dealing with index paths and sections. Clear? This is enough for today. Practice well. Okay, we have 3 more classes. 2 or 3 more classes on table views. How to create customization. Why do we need only these default cells? We can also use the custom cells. Why don't I have a image view at right side instead of left? Why can't I have large number of text, different cells with different heights, editing, adding new cell, deleting the cell, moving the cell. We see different things. Selecting and moving to the another view controller, another view, display content, passing the content. There are many things. The next course, almost 80% of the course we deal with tables only. Core data, fetch the data and display on the table view. Web services, fetch the data and display on the table view. Okay, any property list, anything, almost we deal with table views only. Need not to worry. If you have any doubts, you can ask.